Investing in the Schwab S&P 500 can be a smart way to grow your wealth over time. This index fund tracks the performance of the 500 largest publicly traded companies in the United States. To get started, you will first need to open a Schwab brokerage account if you don't already have one. Visit the Schwab website, click on the account opening link, and follow the instructions. Make sure to have your personal information, including your social security number and financial details, readily available. Once your account is established, deposit funds into it. You can transfer money from your bank account, request a wire transfer, or roll over funds from another brokerage. After your funds are deposited, navigate to the investment section of the Schwab platform. Here, you can search for the Schwab S&P 500 Index Fund, commonly referred to as SWPPX. Examine the fund's details, such as expense ratio and historical performance, to ensure it aligns with your investment goals. To buy shares in the Schwab S&P 500 fund, enter the dollar amount you wish to invest or the number of shares you would like to purchase. Review your order, ensuring you understand any fees that may be associated with the transaction. After confirming the details, place your order. It may take some time for the order to process, depending on market conditions. Once you have invested, keep an eye on your investment by reviewing its performance regularly. Consider setting a schedule to check your portfolio, but remember that investing in index funds is typically a long-term strategy. Avoid the temptation to react to short-term market fluctuations. By staying informed and focused on your long-term goals, you will be well-positioned to make the most of your investment in the Schwab S&P 500.